Want to program your key fob for a 2007-2009 Chevy Equinox yourself? It's a straightforward process that can save you money. This method works by synchronizing the remote with your vehicle's body control module, BCM. You'll use a timed ignition sequence to enter programming mode, signaling the BCM to accept the new fob code. The system operates on a 314 MHz frequency, so make sure you are within 5 to 10 feet of the vehicle. Ensure your fob has a working 3-volt CR232 lithium battery. Remember that original OEM fobs are ideal. Aftermarket ones might need extra steps or tools. The system supports up to 4 fobs. Close all doors to ensure the vehicle's security system is ready for programming. Insert the key into the ignition switch to begin the programming sequence. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 3 times quickly within 5 to 10 seconds to activate programming mode. The car may chime to indicate this. Press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously on the key fob until you hear the doors lock and unlock, confirming the pairing is complete. If programming fails, verify you followed the sequence exactly with correct timing and ensure the fob battery is fully charged. If the process is interrupted, simply restart the entire ignition cycling sequence. Consider using an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics before attempting pairing. These tools can detect if the body control module needs resetting. If problems continue, seek professional help to prevent body control module lockouts that may require a dealer visit.